Good day, trainers. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Wednesday, July 20th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had 4 trades, 1 in crude, 1 in gold, and 2 in the ES, and I'm going to run through what we had today. Start with the gold. Gold, we had a long 13.17.2, 13.17.4, and you'll see that one went up. It's actually it actually went up. It went up here, but my first target was here. I actually had the line there, but I removed it. About 20 ticks. And then for anybody who had more contracts left, I said you had to go to entry and see if it takes you out, it takes you out. If not, it keeps going. It did go higher up to about almost 21. Which was another 10 ticks or so. But most people were not in the trade at that point. So they made up to 20 on that trade, power play. And then in the crude, we had the crude report. It had a little bit of stuff going on. The report came out here. We thought about getting long here. I mentioned it, but I just didn't like the way it looked. I wanted to let things kind of settle down. I had a couple of things going on at that time. So, again, I wanted to be sure after the report what they were going to do. They kept going up, took it to our next levels. After the market got up here, we were looking at 12, 13 area. We got long at 82, 45, 82. 1051, and again put my target there the whole time. Okay, within 5 minutes it hit 30 pennies, and that was just a beautiful trade. Easy peasy on that one. The ES, ES is looking for a direction, looking where to go up at all-time highs here. Market came down here. We tried a short. Some people got a point if they were 3 or 4 ticks. I wanted to be really tight with this here because we had a key level here that they got below and then they got back above, and they really needed to get back below it. So I told people take profits a little bit quicker there. Make sure you're in a risk-free trade in case it doesn't follow through. So some people got a point, some people got a break even on it, even when the market came up here 2-3 candles later, when it came down again, I said, look, this is just, they didn't get below the level we were looking for over here. Probably better to just get out of the trade there if you didn't, take your profit or you're still in, and then we would get in lower. If the market truly was going to follow through, we had another trade. I said only like about 2 points down, another entryway we could have gotten in. Up to 3 or 4 ticks on that max, and again, a lot of people had a break even. The market, in fact, did go back up. We took a long at 2162.50, 2162.75, and again, they never looked back. We knew there was going to be a little bit hiccup here at the 450 area, which I mentioned. That was 2 points up, so I told everybody make sure you go to entry. And we'll see if they can blow through the top there of the high from where the open happened there, and get up either into our playground or above the 66.50. I thought about doing an add-on at the 66.50, but we didn't do an add-on. I just said if you're still in, just hold it. We're looking for a point and a half to 2 points above that, which was that put us up at 68 half. I actually told everybody 68, so it did go higher than that a little bit, but it's about the max anybody. I mean, it did go up to the 69.50, 69.75, but a lot of people were out of the trade by that point because they were taking profits and stuff, and it had went from 250 to 8, so almost 5 points, over 5 points, 5.5 points, and that was it. That was all we had. So really nice winner there, beautiful winner there, a scratch there, maybe a point, best case scenario, but just call it a scratch. We're going to come back again and we're going to do it tomorrow. And until then, guys, have a wonderful day.